Hey guys, this is GhostAES again. Second motovlog. So I just go out, and it's actually the first time I'm testing the Pinlock that I bought, and so far so good. Normally it'd be fucking up right now. So yeah, I can definitely say it's helping out a lot. Let's take a bit of a shortcut. Something cars can't do. I always somehow managed to come out in the night. Is it what, almost 7 o'clock? It's like it's the same time I came out last time. I think the weekends are probably the only time you can actually go out in the daytime. Today's just a quick vlog. I'm just gonna go for a quick ride, see what we encounter. Also, if you haven't seen my cousin's YouTube channel, he started about 2 or 3 months ago. Is called Quick Blast. He's doing pretty much the same thing as me. He started off on a Jigsaw 750, believe it or not. Yeah, some people would say that's crazy. Probably some people would say I'm crazy too, but I guess it's whatever you're comfortable with, right? And yeah, he's loving it. I mean, you just, again, like I said last time, if you're taking it slow, then there's no reason why you can actually get a bigger bike. But yeah, make sure you subscribe to his channel too. He'd appreciate it. I do hope to actually move back into the Midlands, and we can actually do some joint content with each other, and that'd be good. Feels good to, you know, go out for a ride every here and then. Make sure gives you a bit more practice when you're riding on the road, because I feel like if you don't ride for a week or two, you kind of become rusty again. That's the one thing with bikes, you know. So practice is key, really. I do actually need to do some drills, you know, like in a car park. I watched a guy called Motojitsu. You probably heard of him if you're into bikes and stuff, but he provides a lot of useful tips, you know, how to ride bikes, how to ride slowly, etc. And he actually has like a course which you can follow and become more of an advanced rider and less of a beginner. Let's go left today. Roads feel a little bit damp, so I'm not going to go too crazy. I'm going down some old roads I used to go down into in my car, some kind of like country roads. Yeah, I'm probably a bit brave going at this time, but it's not too far, and it's not too dangerous, so let's give them a try. It's been a long time since I've actually gone down that route. Oh, bumpy road. I do actually need to clean this bike, and I think that'll be some good content, because when I actually first detail the car, I mean the bike, I can actually show you guys how, you know, I used to wash cars and how I'm going to wash this bike as well. So it might be insightful for you guys how to keep your bikes clean, how to keep your chains lubed up and also clean. I'm actually really liking this Pinlock. Definitely I'd advise it for anybody out there, even beginners, advanced riders, whatever. It really does help. Hopefully the footage is coming out right, because I know it's kind of dark right now, and obviously action cam is not the best in low light conditions, unless you've got a 1-inch lens. Even then, for like riding on a motorcycle and having an action cam in low light, it doesn't bring out the best footage. You probably have a high number on the ISO, but hopefully it comes out okay. Oh, slippery there. I've never had that wheel spin. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's close. Always be alert, guys. You know what? Counter steering is such a big thing when you're riding a bike. Counter steering, counterbalancing, plays a big part when you're riding a bike. I love these humps. Don't like the ones that go across the entire road, so then you kind of do have to slow down. But being on a bike, it's helpful to have it have a gap. Oh shit. Yeah, oncoming traffic, I don't do much there. And some bumps again. I swear the UK is just full of them. It's not like back in the days in the 2000s where there was not much of these bumps. I guess there were speed cameras, but now there's bloody bumps everywhere. They're trying to make enthusiast riders and car drivers not want to ride or drive. I know what people are going to say, is to slow people down. And I agree, obviously in the local city roads, you know, you should drive sensibly. But sometimes when it's clear, you might want to just give it a little bit of beans, not excessively, but you know. I'm not trying to make people speed. That's what I'm trying to do. I've been trying to search for cruise control, because I do want to take the bike on the motorway, but the only thing is I just can't be arsed with not having cruise control. Some sort of wrist support would be good, especially on long rides. So obviously if you guys know of any, you know, definitely comment and leave a link or something, because I am interested in finding one. I do need to do a walk around a video of this bike. I keep saying it. Obviously it's too dark to do one now, but when it's daytime and I'm riding again, I'll definitely do one. These roads ain't too bad. I don't know where I'm going, by the way. I'm just following the route wherever the nav takes me. That's a good thing, eh? Just get lost, and then wherever the nav says to go back home, you go back home.